Without any amount of hyperbole whatsoever, let me just say, Plymouth Live would not have been able to put on a live election debate of that quality without the help of marginal students, and that's everything from the camera work to the intro sequence to those in charge of the auto cue and looking after the script, talking in my ear. It was produced, directed, and executed by everyone. Just absolutely dream to work with, and the facilities you've got here are absolutely brilliant for the city of Plymouth. And we're going to be producing some top quality journalists of the future from the workshop. I've no doubt about that.
A lot of the time when you're doing stuff at uni, it's very easy for you to think, oh, it's only for a uni project, it doesn't matter. Well, with this, it is a real thing. If you mess up, 10,000 people, 30,000 people more are going to see. Before this, if someone had said to me, you're going to do an hour's broadcast live on Plymouth Live with so many people watching, and you're going to be assistant director, I would have thought, I can't do that. But the training we had, especially last week, building up to this week, and then obviously doing it tonight, just really makes me feel ready to go into a real job where what you do really will be seen by people.
It went well. One or two hiccups during the broadcast, but we managed to overcome them, so I can't complain. My team's been really great today, and I'm really pleased with them. Over the last sort of 48 hours, really putting the show together specifically for this constituency, it was a lot of work. I wouldn't be able to tote it up in hours. There's no two ways about this. Is an amazing facility. The equipment we've got access to, the modern way the auto cue works, all that sort of thing. It makes the job much, much easier.
Creating packages to play out on a live broadcast is what we do, and we're very good at that. It's just getting used to the live side and getting things set up, and the auto cues to the actual scripts. You cover it all. You're working alongside John Roder from Match of the Day, Milo from Sky Sports. He's got these people in your ear saying you're doing a great job, giving you bits of encouragement, and you're working in a facility like this.